Okay, so this is take 2 on this video. Yeah, take 1 was how long back? How many months back?
3, 4, 5.
Take 1 was
Before she started YouTube.
No.
Oh, I think we made 1 or 2 videos and then.
So we tried filming this exact same video approximately
In the middle of the night.
In the middle of the night. That's how we are. We're both nocturnal. And she's Himani. You've seen her in the vlog.
Namaste.
Okay, so you've seen her in the vlog, and I did not include a lot of bits because the both of us hadn't slept the entire night last night. So we were already.
Last night, as in that last night.
That last night. So both of us were really in a mess already to explain who she is and everything. So this is a video dedicated to our friendship. I don't know for how long we'll be friends. We've been friends since 3 years.
Yeah,
3 years. But even if we don't be friends, this will be a video to cherish.
Okay. Yeah.
12?
Yeah,
13, 11. Yeah, 3 years.
And before that,
this is where the video properly starts now. How did we meet?
okay. You should start.
Okay. Because you're the one who remembers.
Okay, so when we were tiny, we used to go to this English grammar class called Naina Tan. And okay, so I am a chill student, like padhai karna hai, copy bhi karna hai, yeah. And she is the uptight one. She will not talk to anyone in class. I mean, while the teacher is teaching.
No, that's not true. I used to talk to you a lot. Hey, in 12th.
And 12, that was after you grew up.
Yeah.
After you, sort of hung out with me.
True. But back then, no, I have come there to study.
Yeah, and so how we met was she used to come and she wasn't in my batch actually. She would just come randomly, I think. I don't know why. And so this one time we had to write an exam, okay, a test. It was a normal, like a classes ka
10
test.
marked or 7 marked.
Yeah. And I, as usual, asked her that, really, what's the answer for this? And she's like, no, I won't tell you. What is wrong with her? Why isn't she telling me answers? So anyway, I wrote the test and I fared well. But then that is how I remembered her, that, the girl who didn't copy in a stupid exam. And then in 10th, after 10th grade, when we had to start our college, both of us were in the same class at NM. Now you should speak.
Yeah, we were at Narsee Monjee. Yes, the big short college at Mumbai, and I get a lot of questions from you guys whether you should go there or not. That will be discussed later, and I hope I don't fall into trouble to speak the truth. But yes, the bottom line is I meet her and I just look at her and I feel like, okay, I've seen her somewhere, but I just can't click. And she's like, we have met at Naina Jani Mess's class, and I'm like, yes. Even though I can't recall it very well, but I'm like, we must have.
I didn't know this. I thought you recognized me.
No, I saw it.
Yeah, because I was on the receiving part of the non-copy. That's why I remember you better than you did. Because she might have refused to so many people. She doesn't stick. She still doesn't copy at all.
Funny story, but I copied in the board exams. Like the only exams that 10th.
Yeah. You were wrong answers.
The thing is that so my sir at school, he gave us the question bank that इसमें से ही आएगा.
Don't.
I believed. I did not
see
study.
That you should never do. Never trust importance.
Yeah. Lesson learned. So I trusted, I did that, and only like 40% of the paper was from that, and I'm like, what the F? Because as she told, I was a hardcore student, want to score good and everything, and I've stopped dead. Like, what do I do now? And luckily, my childhood very good friend Disha sits in front of me during the 10th board exam, and she was such a kind soul. She showed me her entire paper, and I was like, shit, I don't know what I would have done. And at that time, I did think that even I will let people copy because I understood the importance. But then,
you still don't.
I still don't.
It's fine. People always have their resources.
So that's how we met, and at NM, the two of us got into different types of groups. Like the first one was you, me, and Shreya.
Oh my god, yeah.
So we used to gossip all the time, all the freaking time.
I think that happens with everyone. Like, you know, when you start college or any place, like the first group of people that you meet is never the group of people that you end up with.
And then there's this girl who always comes late, and who's wearing a flannel most of the times. And
She doesn't wear flannel.
like, in my head,
I remember her with a Tweety t-shirt. Remember? Why? No, Mickey Mouse, sorry. A white long Mickey Mouse t-shirt that she used to wear.
no, I don't remember that t-shirt at all. Different
I don't remember
observations.
wearing flannel at all.
Like
Yeah.
my first impression of hers is entering the class in a flannel and a bag on one shoulder. So, and she comes and makes a small conversation with her, and after she leaves, I'm like that old granny. How was she? Was she a nice person? And what did you say to me? Do you
I
remember?
don't know.
Was she
I don't
nice?
even remember this conversation happening. That you asked me how was she or something. She used to be a part of a lot of groups in college. Yeah,
Groups,
she was
matlab,
that. I mean,
the
clubs.
yeah.
Clubs as in hobby center and all, like, you know, nice
I was
clubs.
the head.
Yeah. And I used to be a part of none. No clubs. Nothing. So, she always used to be out of the class, okay? She never used to attend. And I was like, what am I supposed to do? So I started making new friends. And so I always used to think, I always wanted to be friends with the girl with the top knot. I'm not going to mention her name because she watches YouTube. And so yeah, and Krishna used to hang out with her. So I went and sat with them. And yeah, that's how we started talking, Krishna and I. And then after she started, like after her clubs thing got over, even she used to attend college. So then the three of us started sitting together and we chucked the other girl, which was kind of rude because they were friends in the first place. But
Yeah,
then,
but that's the thing that happens all the time. You meet someone new, and then if
you realize that the old person was, you were just like, and then it was just the three of us.
just the three of us, and we've done so much. What do you
We've
call
just
it?
laughed and slept. We haven't paid the slightest amount of attention in class. All we've done is, oh, we actually ate so much. Oh
My God. Okay, so we are monsters when it comes to food. You might have seen that in the vlog. In the vlog also, we ate like, ठीक है, but otherwise we are hungry all the time. You give us food,
And
we'll hug
she
you.
is God, okay? She gets the best tiffin in the whole world, okay? She'll get spinach spaghetti and these makhanas and everything so delicious. And I would get my standard dry fruits. And then,
They're healthy.
because, yeah, they're so healthy.
So we used to eat all the time.
Yeah.
And it got to a point where the sir actually stopped me once in 12th. OC sir, what was his name? Should we mention the name?
No.
Yeah, OC sir, he's like, can you just stop eating for once? Because it looks bad. It looks like you haven't eaten in days. That's how you're eating.
I don't remember, but okay.
I don't think you were in the class that
Yeah,
day
no.
because I was alone that day. That happened, and one more incident, which the OC eraser thing. So a lot of things have happened in the OC lecture because the sir was,
But
I was gonna say pretty chill. Like he wouldn't usually stop us from doing things.
yeah, because he knew that he was so boring that people had to do something else.
She's right. She's right. So
And
we
okay, yeah. So his voice was so irritating that you couldn't even sleep in his lecture. That, like, we had this one economics teacher. She was so, like, her voice was so, like, melodious.
And she was a genuinely nice person.
And she knew that I liked to sleep, so she would let me sleep in all of her lectures. But this sir, no. His voice modulation and intonations were so, I would say, prominent that it would ring in your ear. You won't be able to sleep.
Accents are a completely different story at NM.
Oh my god, yeah.
Every teacher has her own accent, which is far from normal.
Yeah.
So again, he had his accent, and we randomly find an eraser. We are bored as F. There is no boredom level past that.
It's just the two of us. Krishna was absent.
Yeah. We breaking the eraser and throwing it in the. I don't know why are we laughing so much, but that moment was so hilarious. What else have we done? What else?
Sleepovers.
Oh, we have a lot of sleepovers, and every single one is
Is
different.
something different, yeah, completely.
How many have we had so far?
So many.
what else do we have to tell them about each other? So we have these really deep conversations now. I've made just one video so far about Dada Bhagwan and his theories, and she's reading, what's the book again?
Autobiography of a Yogi. It's the autobiography of Paramahansa Yogananda.
And a lot of people have started getting into it. Even Virat Kohli passed some statement that that book changed his life.
Autobiography of a Yogi.
Yeah.
And this guy, Steve Jobs, he was a huge follower.
Oh, this reminds us. During the start of 11th, there were auditions for.
Oh my god! Your kids. I am literally cringing. Oh, okay. So we have our college festival, right, Umang? So people were supposed to audition for music and all, and both of us. My intention was to not attend lectures and still get attendance, so I went for the audition, and she was a real, like,
part lena,
sab cheez mein part lena hai. So she went filled like with real hopes and all, and I was like, kuch hone nahi wala hai. I just wanted attendance. So we go there and we decide to sing. We did everything actually. We did the ramp walk thing also.
You did it too?
I did it.
I don't remember.
You did it?
Yeah. But I don't think we were together at that time.
Yeah. We did the ramp. I did the ramp walk, and I had gotten new footwear, so I had blisters all over my feet. So that was an ugly ramp walk. But yeah, we did the ramp walk, and then while singing, we decided to sing together. And so we first decided that we'd sing some Taylor Swift song.
Did we?
No, I don't know. We decided something, then we again decided something else, and then finally we settled with this song.
My Heart Will Go On.
Yeah, the Titanic song. So anyways, we made that stupid decision. We go up there and we sing it, both of us together, making a fool out of ourselves in front of so many people. And we sing it. And then the guy goes like, okay, yeah, good, now sing separately. And I'm like, why do I
Did I
do
sing
myself? Both of us were asked to sing that end high note separately, remember?
Yeah, oh yeah, just the high note.
Oh my, it was so bad because I made a fool of myself.
Yeah.
Complete fool.
So we've basically been through so
and there was this phase where she used to love vada pav so much, so freaking much. She would literally have 2 vada pavs, one in each hand, and she would be like, oh, vada pav khate. Like every time, anytime you would get a small break or any sound, oh, let's go opposite and have vada pav. And I'm like, hi? Stop. And I never had one vada pav with her. Yeah.
No, you had one recently when we went to when I had come to Parla to pick up some clothes.
Yeah, that was like after our colleges changed. That was recently, like last year. But when we were in 11th grade, I never had a vada pav.
See, if we can keep talking for hours and hours. Yeah. So for this video, this will be it. Do let us know if you enjoyed it, because if you did, then we'll make more and more, and if you did not, we'll still make videos but less often. And which means we'll see you very, very soon, and goodbye.